Hello, this is a full AI animated commercial. In this video I'm going to show you how I made this video just from text. Usually to make AI video, first of all we make AI photo from Midjourney, DaVinci or other generated sites. But in this video I only used Kling AI just from text to video. So to make the video, first of all I prompted Kling AI as make a video of a mini pickup coming to a ripe mango garden near a city. Then the mango fall on the pickup and it's left the frame. So Kling AI took some time and made the video. As I already have generated the video, so the prompt is in description and video is here. As we got only the video, no sound effects, no text, no background music. So to make it a full commercial video, we have to edit it manually. So you can use any editing software. Here is CapCut I made from this video. Here is logo icon, text icon and everything. Then the video is ready. As it is the process of making AI videos, so we are not describing the editing process of how we have added sound, text or others. So this is the output.